Hi guys. Let's see how to open multiple websites using a shortcut Windows 10. Want to use a shortcut to access several web pages at once? It's not just me, many people start each tab individually in the online browser, which can be tedious for some. Instead of opening numerous web pages in separate tabs in your web browser, why not use a shortcut? Simply make a folder on your copy of Windows 10 to get started. Here's how to use a shortcut on your Windows 10 computer or laptop to access numerous web pages. Launch Notepad from the Start menu or search bar at the bottom of the taskbar. We will use Notepad to type and add the shortcut code for the websites that you want to visit. Now just copy the following code and paste it into the Notepad. You can see the code below in comment section. Now save the Notepad with a different file extension, click File Save As and save it with whatever name and an extension .bat. To change the extension of the file, select all files under Save As type. For example, if you use the Notepad name websites.txt, replace the .txt to .bat extension. Once you execute the code, the websites will open all at once in different tabs in a single window. Windows 10 will use your default web browser to open the links. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.